beautiful people. Today is a really, really nice day, and I decided to wear my long skirt and my little orange top. I'm actually gonna be using coconut oil on my hair. One is to get pink pigment dye from my hair. It's been washing out a lot lately and I'm not re-dyeing it pink at the moment. And I actually read that coconut oil helps to take out hair pigments from hair color. For a couple of years, when I was regrowing out my hair color, my natural hair color, I used coconut oil every month, and I would do a hair mask, and I would help to put the moisture back into my hair, as well as moisturize it, which is really, really nice. And since I have 2 reasons for doing it now, it is Sunday, I'm really not doing anything. I thought I'll put in coconut oil into my hair, and as it's moisturizing as I want it to moisturize anyway, I will see if it will help to reduce the pink in my hair currently. There's really not much left of it, so it doesn't really matter if it doesn't. It will moisturize my hair either way. So just to like show you all the pink. So I am currently regrowing my natural hair color, but I don't know if you can see the pinks. Oh, there's like bits here. Wait. How do I do this? How do I hold the camera? So it's got like pink bits here still in my hair. I hope it's picking up. I can see it myself, so I'm hoping it picks up on the iPhone too. The coconut oil I'm using is going to be pure 100% coconut oil. We got it from the Oriental shop here in Oxford. It was only £1.69 and it was liquidy when we brought it because it was so warm outside, but now it's I put it in the fridge, so it's hard. If you get coconut oil and it's already runny and soft, it's going to be easier to use, so there's no point putting it in the fridge. I put it in the fridge because we got home about an hour and a half ago and I needed to relax for a minute. The awesome thing about coconut oil is that you can literally cook with it, you can moisturize with it. I moisturize my skin with it. You can use it to rub off makeup. It has a lot of amazing ways of using it. Anyway, let's go to the bathroom. My bathroom is like a tiny bit messy at the moment, but oh my god, should I clean? I should clean the mirror, shouldn't I? I'm gonna clean the mirror real quick, just 1 second. Okay, so the mirror is clean now. Excuse my bathroom. It is a little bit messy, but I have so many towels. I need to like get rid of all of my towels. There's just so many of them. Anyway, I'm gonna try balancing this so that I could show you guys on this little area. So once I've balanced it on the windowsill, I'm going to show you all how to just put it in your hair, braid it, and just leave it. Okay, I'm literally balancing you on my new shoes box, so that's a fun one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush my hair. So you just need like little hair bands, or use a normal hairband, so that you can braid your hair into. What I do is I basically split my hair into 2. So I just use my hands, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to secure one side properly. I like to braid it. I'm going to grab the coconut oil, open up. This is how it looks, by the way. So it's just white and it looks smooshy, and you just apply it in your hair, and it's like, there is really no set way of doing this apart from lathering it into your hair. When you get to the scalp, I would say massage it really nicely, because The oil has really good nutrients in it and it will help you moisturize your hair. Like you can see the light pink pigment that is in here. Okay, so once that's all in, it will give you a ridiculously slimy, wet base to work with. And I'm just going to lather that into my hair. I just start by just taking a little bit of hair. I'd like to think these hairbands are good, but you know. So before I go to bed, I will put my head in one of these babies or one of these babies. If I'll be using a bag, I will literally this is a look, guys. Let's go out like this.
Stop it. Get some help.
It literally doesn't matter how you look like, you're going to sleep. This is free, and despite how you look like, it doesn't really matter. So I would literally just keep it in there, and when you're done with it, you can just, in the morning, you can just take it off, and voila. And you look like this. Honestly, I hope this is making sense so far, because it is to me, but I don't know if it is to you. I hope you enjoy this so far, and I'm going to go about my day. I'm gonna go out with my family for a bit, go to sleep in it, and then tomorrow morning hopefully I can finish this off and show you guys how it looks, and hopefully it will remove some of the pigments. And if it doesn't remove some of the pigments, we will have nice, super shiny hair, and you know what? Nobody loses here. I'm not losing, you're not losing anything.
The next day.
Good morning, peeps. It is the next day. I don't have the cling film in my hair, but that's because I've already woken up and I've got a class, and I'm about to wash off my hair.
It's the little things that matter. It's the little things that matter to me. Make me feel important. Make me feel like that. Make me feel like. My niggas told me not to be so vulnerable. My niggas, what's the point of being stars that don't glow? That don't glow. You and I are constellations, rebels in the making. But love is forever. Had a flashback to something that never existed. Remember when you said I'm way too persistent, and I used to.
So I just got ready and I'm kind of, this is how it looks. Do you think like the pink's been lifted? I think maybe it has been. I know the pink looks like it's been lifted like a little bit. It doesn't look as pigmented as much, which is pretty cool. I did have it overnight and I just washed it off and stuff, and it does look, I don't know, it just looks blonde again, which is pretty chill, I'm not gonna lie. I've got my red jumper on, so I just wear my black top and the same trousers and my new shoes, so that's pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, I really like them. I'm just covering my sister's ID. She clearly keeps her stuff at the back here. This is not my phone. This is how my hair looks. I hope you really enjoyed this. Tell me if you think the pink's kind of washed out or not. Nevertheless, the coconut oil is really good for your hair, so I'm not mad at moisturizing my hair for about 16 hours. I really enjoyed this. It was kind of fun. And yeah, you can like, you can subscribe, you can comment, you can do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you a lot next time. Bye bye.